Hey, John Crestani here, and in this video I'll be going over Now Lifestyle, which is a new kind of like multi-level marketing slash affiliate marketing company, and whether or not this is a good affiliate opportunity. Now, during this video, I mean, my voice is going to be pretty bad. I have like a throat infection. Maybe I have the virus or something like that. I don't know, but my voice is really bad. So kind of pardon me if I'm kind of like swallowing or doing stuff. Now, in this video, we'll be going over this sheet a lot. So you can reference this sheet, go to johncrestani.com/networks. This has all the affiliate networks that you'll want to apply to, and I've ranked them and I've given good information on all of them. I'll be referencing this sheet a lot, but I'll also be going on my computer and showing you where you can get your links, how you can get Now Lifestyle to pay you, and how much money you can expect to make with this opportunity. So follow along and let's get it. So the sheet you'll want to follow along with me on, you'll be able to access through this link, johncrestani.com/networks. Maybe the link's down below. If it's not, and you don't know how to type in a URL, please unsubscribe from this channel. This is for capitalist, pirate, Viking, resourceful, money-hungry, capitalist pigs. This is not for babies that need hand-holding. If you're a baby who's offended by offensive language, leave the channel, because I'm honestly not trying to appeal to everyone here. I'm only trying to appeal to people who are Viking, pirate, money-hungry cowboys, okay? That's what this is about. It's all about making money, not about pandering. That'll bring you to this sheet. As you'll see, I suggest you apply to all the affiliate networks, but let's focus on Now Lifestyle right here. So a little bit about Now Lifestyle. First off, it's considered in the business opportunity niche, okay? You know, people want to make money, people don't want to work a job, people don't want to work, so that's what, you know, this is all about. You don't need approval to get into this affiliate program, which is really cool. And as you can see, a lot of these affiliate programs you need approvals for. The other good thing about this is there are no excluded countries. Any country can join this program. Now there's one offer, but there's multiple levels. So you can make a lot of money. You can make thousands of dollars from just one customer, one click. You don't need to be approved for the offers, which is another good thing. And yes, it is high ticket. Now the average commission starts at $75, but again, you can make thousands of dollars from each customer. Right now, they're just launching. So it's this link, you know, congratulations for getting on the early bird list. Right now, it's just in pre-launch, but you'll want to sign up here to get the details of how to get associated with them. Now, what's good about this program is they offer a lot of help. They offer support. There are people that will help you out in this program to do the marketing. They also have tools. We'll go into those tools in a second. They also have training, okay? And I'll click the training right here just to show you kind of what that's all about. Wow, I can't speak right. It feels like I have a baseball in the back of my mouth, by the way. So they have a free webinar training here, and they also have a community, a Facebook group. Now, the downside of all of this is the programs that have the most stuff like this, that have help and all that jazz, they cost money. This costs $49. It's not a free program to join. Again, it charges money, but they accept people from all over the world, no approvals, etc. So there are downsides and upsides to everything. Also, they will pay you through a check. They will send a check wherever you are in the world. They'll get it to you. The cash out limit is $50, meaning you have to earn $50 before they will send you a check. Now, if you want to join this, go to Now Lifestyle. There's a link here. I'm going to walk through the program a little bit. Now, the login page for Now Lifestyle looks like this. And once you log in, you'll get to your dashboard. Now, they have some trainings in here. Again, this is more of like a multi-level marketing type company. So it does have some like sort of pyramidal structure, but what is good is you can make a lot of money. Okay, there's nothing wrong with that. When we look at things, they have a lot of tools here. You'll see they have an email autoresponder built in. You can see how many subscribers you're getting. You can see how many subscribers you got the other day. I'm not going to go through how to use all the tools because you can watch the training videos here for that. But basically, you have an email autoresponder free. You also have a landing page builder free. And again, if you want to learn how to use that, you watch the training video. You have a authority site builder, which is basically a blog builder for free. And they have training on how to set that up. They have a conference room so that if you want to hold a webinar or if you want to do webinars like I do, you can set one up. Again, the software is included and the training is free. Okay. or for you after you pay 50 bucks. So they have a video streaming area, which I don't know exactly what this is honestly, but again, they have training videos for everything. Now, in order to get your promotional links, you'll want to go under where it says Reseller Central, and then you'll go into Now Lifestyle Promotional Links. Or the other benefit is, because this is a more of a multi-level marketing program, you can actually talk to whoever referred you into the program and they'll help you. Or you can contact the support, because again, there's support here. So there's more one-on-one help. And that's the benefit of multi-level marketing programs, is it's a people-based business. So you can get help from people one-on-one. It's not like, you know, my business, which I'm just teaching a lot of people, and I'm not creating like multiple levels to things where everybody's helping each other out. It's me, and I have a lot of students. If you want to learn more about my training program, you can look at the links in the description. It's called Super Affiliate System. Now, here's where it gets really cool, is the support in this product is absolutely amazing. And if we go over under community here, you'll see they have live calls 3 times a week. They have Make Money Mondays, they have Rank Up Wednesdays, they have Frenzy Fridays, and they give a lot of information, and they give you just live trainings 3 times a week to help you make more sales. Again, that's the benefit of a multi-level program, is if you just really need the help and you need one-on-one assistance and you want training and you need motivation, multi-level marketing programs are very good at helping you break through whatever kind of, doubts or skepticism or all that stuff that you have in trying to transition from, kind of like a job-based person to, earning your own money. And obviously there's a lot more potential if you're earning your own money. They have a Facebook group, which is right here, community Facebook group. They have news. They have all sorts of information for you to learn from. They have leaderboards. I mean, that's one thing I really do like about multi-level programs. Not that I focus too much on promoting them. It's just not my style personally. But, you move up the ranks and you get a lot of perks. As you see, when you reach these other levels, they're naming out all the people that are the top here. And as you see, top commissions, we have a couple people that have been earning over 300K right now. Again, this program is I think it's just about to launch. It hasn't even launched yet. It's more of a community. Whereas most affiliate programs, they keep everything secret, right? No affiliate wants to tell each other what they're doing because you just copy it, let's face it. You ask other affiliates what they're doing to make money because you just want to copy exactly what they did, So why the heck would they tell you? Whereas multi-level marketing companies, again, everybody's, incentivized. So everybody wants to help each other. In affiliate marketing, people aren't just going to help you out because they know you're going to copy exactly what they do. The only people who actually share are people who own products like I do. And if you want to learn how to actually promote stuff, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and go to my channel homepage. You'll see right here and scroll down to the bottom and you'll see a playlist that has free traffic methods. And these are all the ways that you can get people visiting your links for free without having to spend any money on ads. And again, I go over all the major, the most effective, the best working, really every method there is, I've gone over it. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok. I talk about all the methods. The methods are obvious. It's just that the biggest problem with affiliate marketing is not actually doing the work. It's overcoming your own skepticism, okay? Because your skepticism creates lack of focus. It creates lack of motivation. Your skepticism is the enemy here. Your skepticism actually makes it so that when you come home, you don't actually go and do affiliate marketing. Maybe you get a drink or do something like that. Or when I'm at home, I work at home, I'm a crazy rabid Viking capitalist animal. Because I know there is so much money sitting on there on the internet waiting for me to get it. And I just have to go through the steps to get it. I'm not waiting for somebody to motivate me. I'm not waiting for somebody to convince me of a reason not to be skeptical. And I also want to make clear to you, I'm not really going to do that much here. I'm not going to help you with your skepticism here. If you're a skeptical person and you've been following me for months and you haven't applied any of these methods, please leave. Unsubscribe. I don't want to see you here. You're not helping me. I want you to make money because when you're making money, I get a little cut of that. So just go out and apply those methods. You know, if you need motivation, unsubscribe from me, go to Tony Robbins seminar. I'm just looking for people who are going to be action takers and make this stuff happen. So awesome stuff. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Let me know if I gave too much information, too little information, if I went too fast or too slow. Just type in too fast, too slow, too much, too little, or if it was just right. And I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching.